What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to talk about VeChain, guys. If you get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe. I'm going to show you guys what I'm seeing here. So we're sitting at 11 cents, currently up 6% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 7.55 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 1.01 billion. So we're going to start here on the daily chart for VeChain. Now, we do have this bear pennant that has formed, but you can also break out to the upside. And that might be more likely. If you see us start to break out of our pennant here and back test as support, be a beautiful sign of continuation. And what I wanted to show you guys is the RSI. You see right here how we came down to 32, 33. We're pretty low on the RSI. And if we scroll back here, we can see here we came down to 33. We bounced back up. We came down here to 30. We bounced back up. So that could be a good signal, guys, that we're going to start reversing the trend here. So I wanted to open it up here on the 4-hour chart. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, and there's a couple of patterns I'm seeing here, guys. So one is a fairly large inverse head and shoulders. So here's your left shoulder, here's your head, here's your right shoulder, and here's your neckline. If we start to trend back upwards and break through our neckline, we're looking at a pretty juicy breakout. That would bring us up here. Let's put a little price target on it to about 20 cents, guys. Now we also have a second inverse head and shoulders. So it's a little bit smaller, little baby one. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and here's your right shoulder. And we started to have a bit of breakout. I'm just gonna remove this line here. And here's your neckline right here. And we've started to break out from this inverse head and shoulder. So if we back test it as support and continue to create higher highs and higher lows, you're gonna see a little juicy breakout there as well. That could bring you up to about 13 cents here. All right, guys. And we also have an ascending triangle. Now I know it's a lot of patterns, but this is just what I'm seeing here. We have our ascending triangle, and we've broken out of our ascending triangle here. So we could also see another little juicy gain. Let me straighten this out. That would bring us up to about 13 cents as well, guys. So a few different patterns I'm seeing here for VeChain. So on the hourly, we've come back above the 20 EMA, and we're just above the 55. So it's crucial that we hold that support, guys, because if we do roll over, well, we have a major level of support that I'm going to drop in here for you guys at about, let me get that price target, at about 10 cents, guys. See how much support was in this area if we were to roll over. But we have that inverse head and shoulders. We've broken out of that symmetrical triangle. We could be seeing a larger inverse head and shoulders. So these are all bullish formation, guys. So I'm going to put it onto the 1 hour. So we're here on the 1-hour chart, and I'm going to remove this ascending triangle so you guys can see it a little bit better here. So you can see we've had the bullish cross of the 20 EMA over the 55, and we're back above the 200. So we want to see the 20 and the 55 get back above, have the bullish cross over the 200, and continue to hold it as support. It's looking good right now, guys. I'm liking what I'm seeing with this inverse head and shoulders, and with the larger inverse head and shoulders and the ascending triangle with a bit of breakout here. It's looking bullish in my opinion. So I'm going to pull my fib from this swing high down to this swing low to give you some short-term price targets. So you can see we found some resistance here at the 0.618 on the Fibonacci, the golden ratio at about 12 cents, and we're finding support here at the 0.5 at about 11 cents. So it would be crucial for us to get back above the golden ratio, and you can see all this resistance in this area here at about 13 cents for VeChain. Now, guys, it all depends on Bitcoin, of course, the master energy. Here's the chart for Bitcoin. Let's put it onto the daily just to give you guys a better view here. So we can see here on the daily for Bitcoin as well, we have a similar bearish, bear pennant here. So we need to see that breakout, guys, to the upside, because if Bitcoin were to fall out of this, we do have that major level support that many guys are predicting we're going to come back down to 30K. But if you were to see us break out to the upside, we have that crucial level at 40K. Previous level of resistance, previous swing high. It would be very crucial for us to get back above 40K and get back above the EMAs. So it really depends on Bitcoin, guys. Keep a close eye on Bitcoin. But with VeChain, it's beautiful to see all these bullish formations with the inverse head and shoulders, as well as the larger inverse head and shoulders. I haven't seen many YouTubers talking about that, but it's something I've been noticing here. So I'll give you guys levels of support Just in case we do roll over, we have that major level of support here at 10 cents. And then we also would find some support most likely in this area here. Let me drop it in. You can see here, guys, previous level support, some support here as well, and a little bit of resistance in this area where we could also find support if we were to roll over, guys. I always give you both scenarios at about 9 cents. All right, guys, that's it for VeChain. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio. Hope you're having a terrific day. And if you're not, well, virtual hug. Hey. Okay, see you guys. Peace.